My name's Brian Totzke, partner in Heritage Family Farms. My family started farming here in 1928. We grow corn and soybeans, wheat, and grapes. We have been toying around with a fuel trailer idea for a long time and finally decided this year was the year to do it. So we bought it. It's been really wonderful because we fuel twice a day, just a quick stop, and we're able to get everything done in a limited amount of time and keep right on going. We harvest grapes 24 hours a day, so it just keeps things rolling. Yeah, it's nice. Plug and play. We filled the tank before harvest here, and it just was smooth. No spills, no problems, life was good. Once you do it a couple times, you get into a rhythm, and the guys are really well versed in what they got to do, and it just goes like clockwork. They like it. It's nice. It's very convenient. Everybody's comfortable with using it, and like I said, it streamlines what we're trying to do. That Thunder Creek had the best trailer that was offered, and their construction design, the closed loop system, good customer support. So we just feel like that was the right choice to go. And when we get to the point where we want to buy another one, we're definitely going to buy another Thunder Creek. The Thunder Creek system is allowing us to make it easy, and easy is good.